Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you first sweet recipe. This is Bundi Laddu, traditional one, and let's see. I have taken 2 cups Basin or chickpea flour, and I'm going to add water to this as needed. It has to be thinned down. Mix the batter into smooth paste without lumps. It should be flowing consistency. And I've taken some dry fruits, and I've taken 2 spoons butter, and I've taken 2 cups jaggery and half 3/4 glass water or half cup water, and oil for deep fry. And let's start the recipe. Let the oil heat it. It should be very hot, which has some hole. I'm using pasta steamer. Just put 1 spoon and just move it. After 30 seconds, take them out. It should be soft. Just little bit, 30 seconds is more than enough to heat this. After every round, we need to clean the container bottom. I've added water to the jaggery and I'm waiting for jaggery to melt. Then after jaggery is melted, I need to sieve it, filter it, so that the jaggery will have some sand particles at the bottom to prevent that. I put it back into the container, and now I'm going to heat this. Let the butter heat in the pan, and I'm going to put all these dry fruits. And let it become golden brown. The dry fruit should turn into golden color. It's boiling. There are 2 kinds of testings. One is need to check like this, and you need to get a string like this, but there is no string. We need to wait still. And the other test is just take some water and put a little bit syrup. This has to be like gel. This is getting mixed up, so we still need to heat it. It looks done. Let's see again. Yeah, it has to be like this. And when we put in this, so it has to be like this. Now it's ready. This is cardamum powder. With cardamoms, I've added a little bit sugar and blended it. I'm going to add into this and mix it well. Add the dry fruits. And turn off. I'm adding the bundi. I'll mix it well and need to cover it for 10 minutes, and we'll be back after 10 minutes. 10 minutes now. It looks good. I'll scoop little bit and grind this. I have to put this blended mixture back into this. Mix it well. Using my both hands, I've rolled them into laddus. I've done in 3 batches to make 100 laddus. Watch my next recipe, dum ki biryani. If you like my video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.